Are you ready to revolutionize your woodworking workshop? Today we are counting down 20 mind-blowing woodworking tools every carpenter should own. Whether you are looking for must-have carpentry tools for beginners or the ultimate advanced woodworking machinery, these cool tools will upgrade your craftsmanship instantly. We will look at unique hand tools, smart power tools, and essential workshop gadgets that save time and boost precision. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive into these genius tool innovations. Make every cut cleaner and every project easier. Introducing the Galax Pro Jig Saw, a variable speed 3000 RPM electric jig saw built for smooth, accurate wood cutting, home repairs, and woodworking projects. Powered by a durable 4.5 ampere copper motor with 6 speed settings, it delivers reliable performance for wood, OSB, PVC pipes, and thin aluminium. The built-in LED light improves visibility, while the tool-free T-shank blade change saves valuable time. Featuring an adjustable bevel angle of plus or minus 45 degrees, an ergonomic soft grip handle, and a 2-meter power cord, it is perfect for DIY furniture building, renovations, precision cutting, and everyday workshop tasks. Achieve flawless flooring with confidence every time. Meet the Wellhome Vinyl Pull Bar, a heavy-duty 12-inch steel tool designed for laminate, LVP, LVT, hardwood floors, flooring repair, and scratch-free installation. Built with premium steel and industrial-grade argon welding, it delivers outstanding strength for long-lasting reliability. The rust-resistant finish protects against corrosion, while the smooth tip reaches tight corners and wall edges with ease. Lightweight yet durable, it offers excellent control for both professionals and DIY users. Perfect for pulling planks tightly together, eliminating gaps, aligning flooring, and creating clean, seamless floating floor installations with minimal effort. Perfect cuts start with dependable support. Introducing the Hautmec clamping miter box, an adjustable jaw and 4 anti-slip clamps, a heavy-duty ABS miter saw box with 22.5 degree, 45 degree, and 90 degree cutting angles for woodworking, trim, frames, and DIY projects. Made from premium engineering-grade ABS, it delivers durable, accurate performance. Built-in guides and a flexible, removable 45-degree block simplify positioning, while 4 anti-slip clamps secure workpieces. Base holes allow bench mounting for added stability. Perfect for creating precise joints, molding, furniture, crafts, and professional woodworking tasks with faster, safer, cleaner results every single time you cut, reducing mistakes and improving overall efficiency effortlessly today. Tackle difficult flooring jobs with confidence and precision. Introducing the Powernail PowerPalm Flooring Cleat Nailer, a compact tool that virtually eliminates top nailing on both hardwood and engineered tongue and groove flooring. Designed to blind nail starting rows, final rows, and tight spaces, it drives both 16-gauge and 18-gauge L-style and T-style cleats, while also countersinking unset floor nails. It's a specially designed angled magnetic tip that securely holds cleats and rotates for easy access in confined areas. Pressure activated and fitting comfortably in the palm of your hand, it delivers fast, clean, professional flooring installation with minimal effort every time. Get flawless cabinet alignment without the usual frustration. Meet the Manram cabinet clamps, a great gift for dad and an essential upgrade for any woodworking project. This heavy-duty cast steel face frame alignment tool with integrated drill guide, EVA protective pads, and carrying case combines tightening, aligning, pre-drilling, and securing into one smooth step. The flip-away drill guide creates accurate pilot holes without repositioning the clamps. Delivering 300 to 600 pounds of clamping force, it keeps cabinets perfectly flush while protecting surfaces with EVA pads. Ideal for installing cabinets, bookshelves, and doors with fast, precise, professional quality results every time. Restore your floors without expensive replacements. Introducing the Amurs Floor Gap Repair Toolkit, the simple solution for fixing separated planks and extending floor life. This flooring tool to close gaps features a non-slip base for laminate, PVC, hardwood floor fixer applications, with an extra reusable pad and rubber mallet included for convenient use. Felt pads for noise reduction absorb impact while keeping repairs quieter. Built from durable iron with an ergonomic handle, it delivers precise, comfortable operation. Perfect for restoring flooring alignment, preventing dust and moisture from entering gaps, and maintaining beautiful, long-lasting floors with minimal effort. Build perfect corners with confidence every time. Meet the Naye multi-corner clamps, a woodworking set of 4-pack designed to make assembly faster, easier, and more accurate. When holding boards by hand leads to uneven joints, these adjustable, spring-loaded right-angle clamp woodworking tools become an essential solution. Featuring the Carson clamp for carpentry, frame, cabinet, and woodworking applications, it securely holds materials at 60°, 90°, or 120° angles and fits boards from 0.1 inch to 1.25 inches thick. Easy one-handed operation makes them ideal for building cabinets, furniture, wooden boxes, picture frames, DIY crafts, and other precision woodworking projects. Stop struggling to hold heavy materials alone. Introducing the Shell Cabinet Jack Support Pole, a reliable 54 to 114-inch steel telescopic quick support system rod designed to make solo installations safer and easier. When an extra pair of hands isn't available, this adjustable third-hand tool with a 154-pound capacity for lifting drywall, cabinets, and cargo bars provides stable support exactly where you need it. Built from galvanized steel and die-cast aluminum, it features precise height adjustment, rotating anti-slip pads, a quick-release lever, and comes as a 4-pack with a storage bag. Perfect for cabinets, drywall, doors, crown molding, and construction projects. Get every angle right with confidence and precision. Presenting the Binta Digital Angle Finder range, an aluminum backlit LCD digital protractor with a horizontal and vertical dual bubble meter and storage bag for woodworking, construction, machinery, and home DIY projects. When accurate measurements are essential, this tool delivers a 0 to 225° measuring range with plus or minus 0.5° accuracy and 0.1° resolution, fine adjustment, and a secure locking knob. Its backlit LCD, hold function, mechanical lock, and dual bubble levels ensure fast, reliable readings in any environment. Built from aerospace-grade aluminum with energy-saving auto-off, it's perfect for woodworking, construction, roofing, machinery setup, and DIY projects. Upgrade your toolbox with bits built to handle the toughest fastening jobs. Introducing the Grenpro Allen Wrench Drill Bit Set, a versatile 2-piece collection that includes hex bits, impact driver bits, screwdriver bits, Allen wrenches, and Allen sockets, all featuring 2-inch long metric and SAE 1/4-inch hex shank magnetic Allen key drill bits. When ordinary bits wear out or slip, their torsion zone absorbs torque peaks to prevent breakage while delivering up to 15 times the durability and a longer life. CNC machined S2 alloy steel, strong magnetic tips, and rust-resistant coating ensure lasting performance. Perfect for impact drivers, automotive repairs, household maintenance, and heavy-duty screw-driving projects. Speed up demanding construction jobs with a tool built to keep up. Introducing the Arrow Hammer Tacker, a manual stapler for construction and insulation with an ergonomic grip handle, dual-capacity rear load magazine, and compatibility with 5/16-inch, 3/8-inch, or 1/2-inch staples. When roofing, insulation, or flooring projects require fast, reliable stapling, this tool becomes a necessity. Ready for action, performance makes every swing count, while comfort and consistency reduce hand fatigue. Its efficiency and force design deliver powerful staple driving, and high-quality construction ensures lasting durability. It is perfect for roofing, insulation, house wrap, flooring, and professional DIY projects. Cut branches faster with a compact tool that delivers serious power. Meet the Houselife Mini Chainsaw, compatible with the Dewalt 20-volt max battery, a 6-inch small cordless pruning saw for tree trimming with tool-free tensioning and an overheat auto stop. When pruning trees, clearing storm debris, or cutting firewood, this chainsaw becomes a necessity. It's a smart motor with auto shut-off protection that prevents overheating for longer tool life, while revolutionary tool-free chain tensioning allows quick adjustments without extra tools. The 6-inch efficient cutting and triple safety design ensures fast, precise, and secure cutting for gardening, landscaping, wood cutting, and backyard maintenance. Build a sturdy workstation anywhere in seconds. Introducing the Goplus Saw Horses, portable folding saw horses with 2x4 brackets and side supports, designed for woodworking, DIY projects, and garage tasks. When you need reliable support for cutting or assembling materials, this heavy-duty workhorse becomes a necessity. Its portable folding design makes transport effortless, while the 2,200-pound high load capacity provides dependable strength. The quick setup workstation easily converts into a workbench, and the non-slip stable support ensures secure operation on different surfaces. It is perfect for woodworking, construction projects, home improvement, and professional or DIY use. Power through every cut with confidence. Meet the Dewalt circular saw, one of the lightest saws in its class at 8.8 pounds, built for professionals and serious DIYers who need reliable cutting performance. When demanding jobs require precision and power, this corded circular saw becomes a necessity. Its 15-amp motor handles even the toughest applications, while the 53-degree bevel capacity, with stops at 45 degrees and 22.5 degrees, and a 2 9/16" depth of cut increases versatility. The integrated dust blower, anti-snag ball-bearing lower guard, durable aluminum base, tough cord, clear line of sight, and onboard blade wrench storage make it ideal for accurate woodworking and construction. Mark perfect angles with confidence every time. Introducing the Matework Rafter Square, a 12-inch Carpenter square designed for angle drawing, measuring, woodworking, and carpentry with professional precision. When accurate layouts and clean cuts are essential, this framing square tool becomes a necessity. Its laser-etched measurement scales provide clear, accurate readings, while the precise 90-degree angle and angle markings up to 90 degrees make layout work simple. Built from heavy-duty aluminum, it resists rust and corrosion for long-lasting performance. It also functions as a tri-square, mitre square, protractor, and saw guide, making it ideal for framing, roofing, stair layout, woodworking, carpentry, and DIY projects. Take your workspace wherever the job leads. Introducing the Pony Portable Folding Work Table, a versatile 2-in-1 work table that easily switches between a sturdy workbench and a reliable sawhorse. When you need a flexible workstation for cutting, clamping, or assembling, this portable table becomes a necessity. Its 500-pound load capacity as a work table and 1,000-pound load capacity as a sawhorse, combined with a strong aluminum leg frame, delivers dependable support. The height-adjustable design offers 6 settings from 30 inches to 35 inches, while the easy-to-carry collapsible construction folds flat for effortless transport, storage, woodworking, repairs, and DIY projects. Cut with precision wherever inspiration strikes. Meet the Dremel Blueprint Saw Station, a 12-volt brushless compact circular saw and multi-purpose cutting case built for effortless DIY projects. When you need accurate cuts without bulky equipment, this portable saw station becomes a necessity. It handles mitre, bevel, straight, and rip cuts on trim, vinyl flooring, and 1-inch by 4-inch materials, while folding compactly for small spaces. The all All-inclusive support includes cutting guides, clamps, and material supports, while the integrated alignment laser improves accuracy. Powered by a rechargeable 12-volt battery with a 5,000 RPM single speed and a 2x4 cutting guide, it's perfect for woodworking and home improvement. Get perfectly aligned cabinet hardware on the first try every time. Introducing the King&Charles Cabinet Hardware Jig, a metal cabinet handle jig with an automatic center punch designed to simplify installing handles and pulls on drawers and doors. When precise drilling matters, this tool becomes a necessity. Its automatic center punch prevents jig movement before drilling, while the aluminium cabinet jig with metric and imperial markings delivers lasting accuracy. The detachable and portable design packs away easily, and the time-saving quick drilling system eliminates repeated measuring. It is perfect for installing cabinet handles, drawer pulls, woodworking projects, furniture upgrades, and DIY renovations with professional precision. Keep every glue-up locked firmly in place with confidence. Meet the Jorgensen bar clamp set, a ratcheting bar clamp for woodworking with a quick-release gear clamp built for strength and precision. When accurate alignment and secure holding are essential, this clamp becomes a necessity. Featuring a maximum opening capacity of 8 inches, a throat depth of 3 inches, and a maximum load limit of 600 pounds, it delivers dependable clamping force. Its rapid action quick release button makes adjustments effortless, while minimal movement during tightening prevents shifting or twisting. It is perfect for woodworking, cabinet assembly, furniture building, gluing, and DIY projects. Turn your desktop into a complete creative workshop. Introducing the Zericuf Super Mini Table Saw, a multifunctional tool for crafters and hobbyists featuring 7 speeds, 200 watts maximum power, dual motors and switches, and 122 plus accessories. When precision model making and detailed fabrication demand multiple tools, this compact machine becomes a necessity. Its dual switch safety system and cast iron body provides stable, confident operation, while the pure copper motor adapts to different materials. Designed to cut, engrave, polish, and drill, it includes everything needed for creative projects. Compact for model making, it is the perfect gift for creators, DIY enthusiasts, and hobby workshops. That wraps up our list of 20 mind-blowing woodworking tools. Which of these epic carpentry tools are you adding to your workshop next? Let me know in the comments below. If you want more woodworking tool reviews, DIY workshop upgrades, and expert carpentry tips, make sure to like this video and share it with a fellow maker. Click the screen right now to watch our next video, and happy building!